Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending designs of crochet winter articles. It's different type of articles. Some are gloves and socks and scarf, caps, etc. So this video is very helpful for you. So all the designs are so stunning, so unique and useful and beautiful, decent, cool themes. I hope you all love this type of most attractive collection. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most popular designs and most amazing collection. I really hope that they will love these beautiful ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Must apply these beautiful designs for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for a new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay viewers, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.